To test your iOS app in physical device or publish the app to App Store, you must code sign your app. You must have enrollment in the Apple Developer Program in order to code sign your app and push to App Store. To code sign your iOS app using Appilix, you will need to integrate your App Store Connect with Appilix. Navigate to Users and Access and create a new API key. You must choose App Manager as an access capability. Copy and paste the issuer ID and key ID into Appilix. Also download the API key file and upload into Appilix to complete connecting the App Store Connect. Next, you will need to create an iOS distribution certificate. Let's again navigate to the developer portal and create a new certificate. Choose iOS distribution as your certificate type. Now you will have to upload a certificate signing request file which can be downloaded from Appilix. Next, you will need a provisioning profile. To create that, you first need to register a new identifier. Choose App ID as your identifier and then choose App as the identifier type. Enter a description of the identifier and enter your explicit bundle ID. Another important thing is choosing the capabilities. Apps created with Appilix must have push notification capabilities. Now we will create the provisioning profile and choose App Store under Distribution section as the profile type. Select the newly created identifier. Then choose the newly created distribution certificate and provide a name for your profile. Now if you reload, you can see and select the created certificate and provisioning profile. If you build your app now, Appilix will generate the code sign IPA using your signing information. Next, we will create a new app in App Store to test using TestFlight and Publish. In App Store, you cannot directly upload an IPA file. For that, you will need to enable the Upload IPA to App Store setting so that Appilix can upload your build automatically to App Store. Let's now build the app. Our app building is completed and this is the signed IPA file we can download. As we have enabled the Upload IPA to App Store publishing, the build should be uploaded to the App Store within 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, this is the build added via Appilix to the App Store, and now you can test on a physical device using TestFlight. If the IPA is not uploaded automatically due to restriction or security in your developer account, you can change the upload method to app-specific password. You can create an app-specific password from your Apple account. Finally, add your developer account email address and the app-specific password into Appilix. Now Appilix will make sure to upload the IPA to App Store if there is no other issue.